Welcome back to my stage for beginners. In this tutorial you will find all basic syntax for mathematical functions and expressions in MATLAB, so you will need them for solving problems. Okay, so let's take some simple commands. The first one, absolute of x. We already taken the absolute, can represent the magnitude of x. And the second command, triangle functions. Okay, sine of x and cosine of x and tan of x. Okay, and we can represent inverse triangle function by typing a sine, which represent inverse of sine, okay, and a cosine of x can represent inverse of cosine, and a tan also can represent the inverse of tan. Okay, there is another command called a tan 2, that means to take two arguments y and x. Okay, I'll tell you this inverse of tan. Okay, this inverse of tan but take two arguments. Okay, that means tan inverse of y divided by x. Okay, so, and another command which is root. Okay, there's two commands, sqrt of x, this is square root, and another command, nth root. Okay, can take two arguments, x and n, and this command can return real value. Okay, and also can take real value, x and n. So that means square root any number. Okay, it will be 2 power 1 over 2, this square root. Okay, and for nth root, that means different index power. So let's take example, nth root. Okay, the value, it can be sine number, so the power should be odd. Our result minus 2. Okay, so let's take another one, nth root 77, the power let be 5, hit enter, 2.38. that means the first example, minus 8 to power 3. Okay, that means 1 over 3. And the second example, 77 to power 5, which can represent to power 1 over 5. Okay, that's root. So another command which is exponential, we already taken exponential, exp. Exp has the base which is constant, equal to 2.718 to power x. So let's try. If we type exp of 11 equal 5.9 to power 4. Okay, if I type it by the base 2.718 to power 11, I'll get same result. Okay, same result. Okay, 5.9. So this is ready command. Okay, we can type it in our math expression. And another command called log of x. This represents natural logarithm. Okay, natural logarithm of x. And the last command, which is log base 10 of x. So now let's take some examples. Okay, the first example is a is equal 2x over 4y. Okay, so let's try in command window. The first, we have to initialize argument or inputs. X will be equal 2 and y is equal 3.1. okay, so a is equal 2x division by 4y, hit enter. Our result is 0.322. okay, so the second example, b is equal pi times r square. Okay, we can initialize the r. Okay, let r is equal 3.5. okay, so b is equal pi times r square, r to power 2. Okay, our result is 38.4. The third example, c is equal x division by 2x minus y square. Okay, so I already initialized x and y, so I have to type c x division by 2 times x minus y square. Okay, to power 2. Hit enter. Minus 0.35. Okay, so another example, x is equal exponential to power minus 0.1 t. Okay, I have to define the t here. T let equal 1. Okay, so let's take another label, which is k is equal exp exponential of minus 0.1 times t. Hit enter. Our result is 0.904. Okay, another example, square root x square plus second term y square. Okay, so d is equal sqrt square root of x square x to power 2 plus y to power 2. We already defined x and y. Hit enter. Okay, our result 3.6. So the last example, e is equal sine of 2t plus cosine 5t division by 2. Okay, e is equal division by 2, I can type it 0.5. Okay, so sine 2 times t, we already defined the t, which is 1, plus cosine 5 times t. Okay, hit enter. We can see our result 0.59. The last thing, for long statement, what if I have long equation? How can I divide it, or I want to type it in 2 lines? Okay, for example, this equation 1 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so I can split it into 2 lines by typing before the sign or after the sign 3 dots, 1 2 3. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, I run it in command window, see here, and can hit enter. Okay, our result is 0.635. Okay, I can split our long statement by typing before or after the sign 3 dots. Okay, so this can represent one equation. That's all about math expressions. So if you have any question, you can ask. Thanks for watching.